My phone is quiet. It is too quiet. It sits on the table. I wait. I am Anna. I live alone in a small apartment. My son, Leo, lives in another country. He is busy. He has a new job. He has a new life. I understand. Every morning I make tea. I sit in my chair by the window. I look at the birds. I think about my day. I clean a little. I read my book. The hours are slow and quiet. Thursday is my favorite day. Thursday is our day. Every Thursday evening, Leo calls me. We talk for 1 hour. He tells me about his work. I tell him about my garden. We laugh. I wait for Thursday all week. Last Thursday, I waited. I made my tea early. I put my phone next to me. I watched it. The clock moved. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7. The phone did not ring. The screen stayed dark. I thought, maybe he is working late. Maybe he forgot the time. I went to bed late. The call did not come. The next day, I felt empty. I did not make tea. I did not sit in my chair. Why did he not call? Is he sick? Is he angry with me? Did I say something wrong last week? My mind asked many questions. I had no answers. The quiet in my apartment felt heavy. I looked at an old photo. It was Leo as a boy. We were in a park. He was smiling. I was smiling. That was a loud, happy day. Now, the silence felt so big. I missed his voice. I missed his laugh. I just wanted to know he was okay. Saturday morning, I went to the market. I walked slowly. I saw Mrs. Chun from my building. She was buying fruit. Anna, she said, you look sad today. I tried to smile. I am okay, I said. She looked at me. Her eyes were kind. My son in London, she said. He is also very busy. Sometimes I want to call him. But I think, no, I will wait. Then I feel lonely. She touched my arm. It is hard, she said. I only nodded. I went home. I looked at the phone. I thought about Mrs. Chen's words. I thought about Leo. Maybe he is just busy. Maybe he is not angry. Maybe he is also tired. I picked up the phone. My hands felt nervous. I pressed his name. I listened to the ring. It rang 2 times. Then, I heard his voice. Mom, he said. He sounded tired but happy. Mom, I am so sorry. Last Thursday, my project at work, it was a big problem. I worked all night. I completely forgot the day. I am so sorry. I could not speak for a second. I heard his voice. It was him. He was okay. It's okay, Leo, I said. My voice was soft. I was just thinking about you. We talked for a short time. He was tired. I was tired, too, but it was a good talk. Now, I sit in my chair again. The sun is warm on my arm. My phone is on the table. It is quiet, but the quiet feels different today. It feels lighter. I look at the birds. I sip my tea. I think I will call Mrs. Chen later. Maybe we can have tea together.